Ideal Nursing Academy. Ignited, dynamic, enjoyable academy for learning. Welcome to Achievers Academy.
लेकिन ये 21वीं सदी है और तेजी से बदलती हुई दुनिया में क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन पर 21वीं सदी की टेक्नोलॉजी को साथ लेकर 21वीं सदी की जरूरतों को पूरा करने वाली एजुकेशन सिस्टम भी उतनी ही जरूरी है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत के निर्माण में, आधुनिक भारत के निर्माण में, नए भारत के निर्माण में, समृद्ध और खुशहाल भारत के निर्माण में देश की शिक्षा का बहुत बड़ा महत्व है। इसी सोच के साथ देश को 3 दशक के बाद नई राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति, ये राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति हमारे विद्यार्थियों को जड़ से जोड़ेगी, लेकिन साथ साथ उसको एक ग्लोबल सिटीजन बनाने का भी पूरा सामर्थ्य देगी। वो जड़ों से जुड़ा होगा, लेकिन उसको दिया गया है नेशनल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन का, क्योंकि देश को प्रगति करने के लिए इनोवेशन बहुत आवश्यक होता है। इनोवेशन को जितना बल मिलेगा, रिसर्च को जितना बल मिलेगा, उतना ही देश को आगे ले जाने में और कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड के अंदर आगे बढ़ने में बहुत ताकत मिलेगी।
Start a joyful learning teaching experience for the students as well as the teacher. We have major 6 core goals. What are they? The first one is, so the first goal is enhancing the instant learning abilities of learners by applying joyful pedagogy methods. So what is joyful pedagogic methods? How we are going to achieve it? Let us discuss about it. It is nothing but application of animations. All of us, we know what is animation. So that application of animation in teaching content at the right time, it will be a highlighting point and the individual will be able to remember instantly. Animation. This is one of the animation used to describe about brain and its parts. So similarly we will be using various other types of animations for explaining certain aspects of different subjects. So let us see in the future, let us see in the near future in other classes. Thank you. Stories correlating the topics used. So we used to tell some stories that is correlating with the topics whatever has been taught to the students, and that will make instant learning ability will be improved. Third one is sharing jokes related to education and enhancing lively feeling. So the individual who is interested in listening to jokes, he will try to concentrate as well as in studies. So we are going to correlate all these 3 aspects of and enhancing the abilities of the individual, so that the learning process is going to be enjoyable as well as effective. Thank you. So the next person will be dealing with the next goal number 2. That will be
Greetings to you all. Welcome to Achievers Academy, a channel meant for students, teachers, nurses. As this is our very first session, so first I would like to have a short intro of mine with you all. I am Yuhanida and I basically hails from Aligarh. I did my post-basic BSc Nursing from Tirthankar Mahavir University in the year 2019. Did my belief that the student will be able to cover both the academics and will be able to prepare there for competition, as it is the need of the era when you will be able to get a government job. That is the what main motto of our channel. And the best part of our channel is that you will going to receive the content both in English and Hindi language.
Everyone, welcome to the Achievers Academy. Our main motto to provide the excellent knowledge to all the nursing students for their betterment in the field of nursing profession as well as in their personal life. Let me to introduce myself, Mahantesh Kargi, Assistant Professor at Tirthankar Mahavir University. I am going to explain the goal number 3. It states that promote the application of theory in a practice by intercorrelation approach. So what are the goal in the sub goals in this? The knowledge of core subject. Here I am going to explain brief and in-depth knowledge about this specific subject will be organized and presented. So what is brief? For example, human body, when you are considering the different organs are there. If you are going to explain the different organs, that is a brief. The depth knowledge means the specific organ when you are taking, for example, the brain. You are starting from the neuron to the other parts of the brain and you are going to explain the anatomy, physiology in depth. So that is the in-depth knowledge. Second, my sub goal is past experience and reference of practice based on my student experience, and as an observer, supervisor, as a patient, what I observed that put into the practice and imparting the knowledge in best of possibilities ways. My third sub goal is correlation and effective evaluation. The evaluation the student based on the responses provided by the students through the MCQs. With that we are going to evaluate and will give the feedback on that. Thank you one and all.
Hi, I am going to speak about goal number 4. It states that appropriate application of technology to enhance effectiveness of teaching and learning process. This objectives, one is preparing PPTs which is having animated animations and music, animated bullets in the PPT for to improve the memory. We stimulate listening and visualization by using. Let me show you an example. Thank you. Signing off, Prabhu John.
Everyone, welcome to Achievers Academy. So here I am Lingaraju here, having 10 years of teaching experience in the field of community health nursing. Right now I am working in Tirthankar Mahavir College of Nursing as an associate professor. So in this academy we have one goal, that is learners friendly scheduling and quality teaching based on the scenario. So what we do in this section here, we people informed all the students or all the viewers earlier itself what the class we are going to take and when we are going to take and what the topic, and that topic will be definitely correlated with the previous class, so that it will be a continuous class for all the students. And the second most important is the quality teaching. To provide, we collect the content from different sources like journals or even the library books or even experts' suggestions also. And after preparing the content, we submit that one to the experts' suggestions. They will validate and they will give additional information to us. So all of you will get a comprehensive knowledge on a particular topic. And that topic will be scenario based or the recent problem based. So it will be easy for even for you people how it will be related with the particular situation or in the current scenario. So definitely I am saying this academy will provide you a comprehensive and very knowledgeable topic as well as subject regarding the nursing. So thank you so much, all the best. Have a good day.
Start with good wishes. I am Hemlata, working as an assistant professor in Tirthankar Mahavir College of Nursing from last 8 years. I am here to explain about Goal 6, promotion of positive attitude towards nursing profession. Let me ask one thing, should nurses in the society is recognized only for COVID-19 and such situation? No, we should be identified by our services to the society. No nurse will produce any product, but she or he is a care producer that resolves the pain, recreates the health, restores peace and productivity. So our focus is to create this awareness among the nurses, especially students at entry level. That is what our channel aims at. Next is to inculcate positive attitude towards nursing. We will create motivational videos, specially portrayed and presented that stimulates emotional attachment with the profession. To keep up the dignity of self and the profession, it is necessary to make it habitual to listen to motivational videos, which is missing in our structured system of teaching and learning. Next is introducing activities that promote positive attitude and awarding for those activities such as poster making, social service activities like helping traffic polices, shooting videos and attaching those videos, distributing us. Thank you, signing off. Let's see in my next video.
Hi, my name is Professor Raghuveer Singh. I am Vice Chancellor of Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad. I wish Mr. Prabhu John and his team for launching a unique YouTube channel on this occasion of Independence Day. Mr. Prabhu and his team is launching an ideal nursing academy which they are named as Achievers Academy. Their goal is to bring joy in learning. They intend to bring transformation in teaching learning experience through this YouTube. I'm sure the learners would enjoy the methods which they will apply through the videos which they are going to upload on the YouTube. Their joy for learning comes from the concepts which were evolved years back by Florence Nightingale. As it appears today to me, they are going to bring major changes in the nursing education approach. Their emphasis is going to be on pedagogical approach. They would make the learners comfortable in how to use technology in their profession. And they also intend to use scenario-based learning to help them to practice their profession. And above all, develop a positive attitude towards nursing profession. I wish Mr. Prabhu and his team all the best for this unique proposition which they are going to bring for the learners. I'm sure this channel would bring a lot of new tools and learning approaches to the nursing professionals. And I'm also sure that Mr. Prabhu and his team work will hard to live up to their claim and this reputation. I'm sure that it's going to be a great achievement, not only for Mr. Prabhu and his team, but a pride for the university as well. So finally, I wish them all the best and hope they do really well. Thank you.
I send my best wishes for your great endeavor. I wish you all the great success in achieving this particular effort which you are putting in for the academy.
Achievers Academy is just sprouting out. We expect your support by liking, sharing and subscribing so that we can grow up. Thank you.
रब से मोहब्बत कर, उसकी इबादत कर, उसने ही दी है हमें जिंदगी, उसके करम से हर वचन से राहों पे तेरी गिरेगी रोशनी। सबको तू माफ कर, खुद ना इंसाफ कर, उस पे तो हक बस खुदा का है।